Hello children, how are you? Hope you all are well. Today we have met online after long time and will continue to meet online for some time. Now we are in the third standard. We have learned many things about computer in a second standard. Now today we will start with chapter number 1, that is computer it's a working, right? In second standard we have learned many things about computer. Likewise the computer its types, then IPO cycle, that is input output process cycle, then input device, output device, different types of keys, then WordPad program, TuxPaint program, then Paint program, right? Now we will learn about how computer works. First of all we will learn about computer system. Computer system. You can see here that computer system is made up of two words, that is computer plus system. Computer plus system, that is equal to computer system, right? Now what is the meaning of computer and what is the meaning of a system? The computer means what? The computer word is derived from the compute word, right? Compute means what? The compute means to calculate or count, and we all aware from this both word, that is what is the meaning of calculate and what is the meaning of count, right? Now system means what? The system means it is a collection or combination of components that are used together for a common task, right? So compute means what? To calculate or count, and system means what? Collection or combination of components that are used together for a common task. That means if we want to perform any task, then we have to use both the components, that is hardware and software both. We can see this by example, right? So example 1, if I want to write India in computer, then which devices I will use? So first of all I want to type these letters, so I will use keyboard, right? Then for processing I will use CPU. Then to display the result I will use monitor. And one important thing, I want to write this, so I will use Notepad program, right? Same way, second thing, if I want to do addition of these two numbers, then I will use keyboard to enter this data, right? Then CPU for processing, and to display the result monitor, and to perform these operations I will use calculator program. Now third one, if I want to draw any picture, right? Drawing, so I will use mouse, right? Because we are aware from drawing, if we want to draw any picture in a paint program, then which device we are using? The mouse, right? Now because we can't draw by using the keyboard, so mouse, then CPU, then monitor and paint program, right? So now you all are aware from these devices, that is keyboard, CPU, monitor, mouse, right? These all the devices are which type of device, so we can touch these devices, right now. And notepad, calculator and paint program, so these programs are available in a computer, right? So the next thing is what? Hardware and software. Hardware and software. So hardware means what? The things which we can touch. The things or devices which we can touch, right? And software means what? So the programs which are available in a computer, right? So we can see here that keyboard, CPU, monitor and mouse, these all the devices are which type of device, so we can touch these devices, right? So these are what? Hardware. And notepad, calculator, then paint program, so we cannot touch this right now because these all the programs are available in a computer. That's why these all are what? So these are the softwares, right? Now, so if we want to perform any task, then we have to use hardware and software both, right? We cannot use only hardware and we cannot use only softwares, because if we want to write India and we are using only hardwares, that is keyboard, CPU and monitor, and we are not using the notepad program, then we cannot do this, right? So if we want to type this India, so we have to use hardware and software both, right? So these are what? Your hardware and this is what? Your software. So you have to use both hardware and software. So this is what? This is the combination, and this combination is known as what? Computer system, right? Now we will see about the label diagram of a computer system, right? So this is your diagram of a computer system. Now you all are aware from this computer system, right? So this is what? Your monitor. Then this one is your keyboard. Then this one mouse. Then this one is printer. Then this one CPU. And these are what? Speakers, right? Now we all are aware from these components, but we have to identify them these devices as input device or output device or processing device, right? So we have learned this in a second standard, right? That what is input device, what is output device and what is a processing device, right? So input device means what? That the devices which are used to enter data in a computer is known as what? Input device. And what is the meaning of output device? So output device means the devices which are used to give result on a monitor, right? So input device means what? The devices which are used to enter data in a computer is known as input device, right? Here we have different types of devices. So you know very well that keyboard is what? So keyboard is used for to enter the data in a computer, and mouse is also used for to enter data in a computer. When we are drawing something in a paint, then we have to use mouse only, right? Now so keyboard and mouse is what? It's your input device, that is keyboard and mouse, right? Then output device. The output device means what? The device is which are used to receive output or result from the computer, right? So we know very well that if we are typing something using the keyboard, then we can see the result on a monitor, right? And if we want to print something, then we can use the printer. Then if we are listening something, music, etc., so we can use the speaker, right? The speaker, monitor and printer are what? Your output device, right? So monitor is what? Your output device. Then printer is what? Printer is also output device. Then mouse is what? Input device. Keyboard is also what? Input device. Then CPU is what? Processing device. Why? Because we know that what is the full form of CPU? CPU stands for Central Processing Unit, right? So Central Processing Unit. So if we want to process something, then we have to use the processing device, that means CPU, right? Then speaker. The speaker is what? Your output device. Because if we want to listen music or anything else, then we have to use the speaker, right? Okay, so this is your computer system. Now next we will learn in a next lecture. Thank you.